Oh well, he doesn't want it to come to that. See what's on Mega Chippie channel. And like we've been doing recently, we'll plug the extension speaker in for a couple of overs to see how it sounds into the external speaker mounted on the wall. So York 861, Cybernet 34 chassis, 1981, and here goes. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm recording and ready to go.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Now it's transmitting at full 4 watts. It's doing 1.19 amps, so just under 1.2. Because if you remember, it was about 800 and something milliamps when it was only doing 3.1 watts. Right, we're now on the extension speaker.
Alright, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. Is there a price today?
Yep, 171.9 and 183.9.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads. Over.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
And now we'll go back to the normal internal speaker.
Tango 21 coming to Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a York 861 from 1981 and it's doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that, all received.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger.
So that's the 3 mile point. For those of you who don't see all these tests, these are done the wrong side of a hill in the worst possible direction from here. And the base station aerial is an Antron 99, mounted just a bit over the gutter level of the single story building, and the aerial on the car is I think it's a Red Thunder. It's a cheap copy of a modulator, and it's drilled into the bodywork in the centre of the roof.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. That's the 4 mile point. The next one will be the 5 mile point and will be the worst one because it's surrounded by trees.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleaf turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleaf turn, and that's better than usual. Roger, got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing. Is there a petrol price at that end today?
Yep, 165.7 and 186.9.
186.9 on the last one, Roger.
Yeah, roger that.
Excellent. Well, it's coming down. So that concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that.
Right. We'll go to our base station and see what that sounds like with my usual standard replacement mic.
Tango 21 testing the York 861 with my standard replacement microphone into our Harris CBHQ base station. Testing for 12345 54321. And as ever, thanks for watching.